Damn, who's this? Yo, what's going on, guys? You turn it down. We got here with Jed again. He got a new car. It's what is it?
Clubman.
Mini Clubman S. So is it a 2 liter or 1.8?
1.6.
1.6 liter single turbo. The tiniest turbo you've ever seen. I'll show you guys later. But yeah, check it out. It's pretty sweet. Is this your Speedo?
Yeah.
Shit. Got 2 sunroofs in here too, even. Oh yeah, and some people were saying that I shake too much with the camera, so I got one of these things, so hopefully it helps with the stability and camera won't shake as much. So more smoother footage and less shaking, you know? So yeah, this is me with this camera stand. Looks like beads of some sort, but we won't say which kind. But yeah, hopefully it's more stable, and let me know what you guys think. Look how cute that is. This turbo's so small. I don't know. Apparently it's rated for 180 horsepower, but it definitely feels quicker than the Supra NA. Most of the turbos in newer cars anyways are just for like efficiency, gas mileage. So it's boosted per se, but it's not really a performance thing with these cars. Yeah, this Mini is on another level. I'm used to like 90s JDMs and whatnot, so oh damn, who it is. Anyways, back to the trunk. Damn, high class. What's up, Joseph? Yo, do you have a lighter?
Yeah.
Yo, this kind of stuff is so modern for us.
Yo, seriously.
We're driving like 20-year-old cars.
You put this like this? Yeah. Push it in. And then hold the clutch and press.
Now it's push to start. Damn.
Oh shit.
Look how cool that Speedo is.
Yeah, this is sick.
There's no way you can say you didn't know how fast you were going if a cop pulls you over. Yo, suicide doors.
Yo, wait, let me press this. See you, Larry,
Yeah, a little bit. 6-speed too?
I'll take it for a ride.
Jed, how much boost are you running? You should get a boost gauge, yo. Let's hook it up. One that matches this.
Oh man, I'm actually driving a Mini Cooper right now. The first time, eh? Yeah.
Yo, let me try it on the way back.
Did you ever scrape, yo? No. This car looks low, eh? Oh shit! Yo. It's fucking fun. It's so small. How fast is this car? It feels quicker than my car for sure.
I don't know. He says 180, but I don't believe
Really?
that.
Yo, your car feels.
Yo, it's a mini S, man. I'm
kicks-
pretty sure they're more than 180.
Dude, that boost kicked in so pretty good. Shit, this is actually the stem that the all YouTubers have.
Yeah, I don't know. Depends how fast your car is.
I'll hold it.
Alright, Joseph with the support. Let's see what 180 horsepower feels like.
There's no way it's 180.
Yeah, yo, it's more than that.
Yo, it's fucking pushing me to my seat.
It's not bad. I think it's at least like 220.
Yeah.
Yo, let's
I feel like the Supra is faster.
You feel
Really?
like the Supra's faster?
No. The Supra? Really?
Well, the turbo on this is pretty small, so. Yo, Jed, man, let's like do a boost gauge, boost controller, exhaust.
Would you raise a boost? Probably not, eh? Leave it as it is. Dude,
Right, man.
It's
Fast
quick.
am I
like 70. I haven't drove my car in a week and a half.
going? Really?
Yeah.
Test drive with Joseph's car after. So I guess it only does have 180 horsepower.
They're like rare, yo. Like limited edition kind of.
Looking up, there's always sky. Rest your head, I'll take you high. We won't fade into darkness. Won't let you fade into darkness. Why worry now? You'll be safe. Hold my hand, just in case. And we won't fade into darkness. Fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness. Fade into darkness.
It's a good thing you finally waxed it.
I wonder how often would you say you have to wax?
I don't know. I've read like you should do it once a year.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, and other than that, just like spray on like that.
Yeah. Yeah, comment below how often you guys wax and polish your cars. Because Joseph didn't do it for like the first 3 years that he owned it.
Finally waxed.
Yeah, like, look at the water beating now though. Not bad. Yeah, this thing's so clean. This thing's always been clean. Ever since the day he got it. Alright, so now we're basically just going to my buddy Reggie's house. We're gonna go check out his 180 that he finally got up and running. He got a turbo swap done, a standalone ECU and all of this stuff, and it was driving for a little bit, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it just started running really rich, really rough, and we pinpointed it down to a vacuum leak under the intake, and So we got that figured out, but he needed to get new spark plugs because his were really fouled. So he just gave me a call. His car is back up and running. So we're on our way there. We're gonna go check it out and hopefully go for some pulls with him too.